Okay, YouTube, here you go. How to hook up a Harbor Freight shallow well pump in your house to increase water pressure. I had low water pressure in the house, and instead of going with one of those expensive $500 pumps to put in the house, this one with that little bladder is doing a great job. And I got it on special with a 20% coupon. It was a little bit over $100. Hooked it up with the flexible hoses, so this way, just in case if the pump ever goes bad, I got a problem with the pump, it's real easy to just hook up the flexible hose directly to my line inside the house, and I could just bypass the pump until I get a new one. But it doesn't run really that much. It barely runs because of that bladder. That bladder just keeps the pressure up, and that's that. While I was at it, I took advantage and I hooked myself up a little pipe there going to the front of the house to have a water in the front of the house that the builder never put a spigot in the front of the house. Go figure. A $10 spigot, they couldn't put it on there. So while I was on it, I took advantage and I did that. So there you go. How to increase water pressure in your house. Cheap.